Hi all, so this is the Sierra Pro kit. It's a click style pen and it's from Prokraft. Feels like a nice kit, quite solid, got a nice solid feel to it. This is Thuya or Thuya, I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's very interesting kind of patterns in there. Well, it cuts beautifully. I'll call it a day there. I'm going to get onto the sanding. This is looking beautiful. Let me bring it closer. So I'm going to sand up to probably 1200 and then put a CA finish on this. Hi everybody, so just wanted to show you, I'm just going to come to the last mop. This is the first time I've used this one. I normally do 2 mops, but I've decided to try this one. It's the Menzerna Polishing Compound M5 Super Finish White. Pretty dusty stuff. Okay, there it is. Click action. And it feels actually a nice action. It's just beautiful, these eyes here. Amazing. Even this figuring here, it really is beautiful. Yeah, a nice pen. Okay everyone, thank you very much for watching. Cheers, bye bye.